Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Special thanks to Bernd for supplying me with a sample. Silver Ash, also known as Cudgery and Bumpy Ash. Silver Ash is found in eastern Australia and Papua New Guinea. Mature examples can reach 30 metres, with a breast height diameter of about 0.8 metres. Usually straight grained, sometimes wavy or interlocked, medium texture, heartwood is pale oatmeal in colour, bark is light grey, fairly smooth or with small rough bumps, leaves have 7 to 10 dark green oval leaflets with grey to white undersides, and sprays of small white flowers show in early summer. It has medium bending and crushing strength, low stiffness and impact resistance, very good in steam bending, dries well but slowly, has good dimensional stability, is fairly durable, especially above ground level, and its specific gravity averages 0.56. Silver Ash is easy to work with hand or machine tools, has a moderate blunting effect, chops and bores okay, nails and screws well, glues well, stains well, and if the grain is filled, polishes to an excellent finish. Its uses are broad and include flooring, joinery and panelling, boat building, vintage car body frames, cabinets and furniture, carving and turnery, veneers and plywood, sports gear and musical instruments. It's on the IUCN Red List as lower risk near threatened, but that's from 1998. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.